this is Emily of Emily's Paper Caper, and today I'm sharing the pages I made for an 8x8 Disney themed book for a coworker. I had lots of 12x12 Disney pages or papers, and to make them stretch in the album, I just trimmed them at 8 inches and then turned and trimmed at 8 again. And then these pages are perfect for in the album. And then contrasting 4x8 make nice embellishments for the pages. Let's show you the pages, and this will start to make more sense. Here's the title page. The base was a 12x12, and I cut it at 8 and then at 8, and then this is a strip from another page. You'll see the 8x8 of this paper later in the book. I will be putting these pages in this album, but I have not loaded it yet because I think it's easier for you to see the pages out of the album. Then there's not that glare from the page protectors. I used two-sided paper, so on this is the title page where she can put a favorite photo from the trip, and then turn, and I've embellished with a photo mat, a couple of paper strips to decorate, keeping the pages very open for her so that it's easy for her to add vertical or horizontal photos, or even trim down photos and put a couple on each page. I thought the twinsies were a nice way to complement the paper on the opposite page. This complements, so this strip came from this 12x12 that I cut down to 8x8. I did add a few photo mats here and there, a few simple embellishments, wanting to keep this super easy for her. A journaling spot. Some more of those twinsies with the fireworks. A couple spots for journaling. And the final page of the book. It's fun to give gifts like this that are easy for non-scrapbookers to use. All she needs to do is print 20 to 40 favorite photos from her trip and add them to the book. Maybe grab a glue stick and some scissors and just have fun. She has 2 children who are younger, and they may be able to help her add the photos to this book. I think it will be a neat family memory for them. At least that's what I hope. And I just kept the theming with those Disney colors. Red, yellow, black, white. Just a little hint of blue here and there, because they went to Shanghai Disney. I figured the standard Disney colors would work for any Disney park. Let me know if you have any questions about what I've done here. And keep on scrapping and paper crafting, everyone.